In this video you will learn how to use inner, left and right join in MySQL database. If you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. First open XAMPP server, then start Apache and MySQL server. Then click on MySQL admin panel. Then select the database in which you want to use inner join. We use inner join between products and orders. Click on SQL tab. Now watch and note this inner join syntax very carefully. Now run this query. Great! Our inner join query runs successfully. Now click to open query box again. Reformat this code. Now we use left join. Great! It's worked successfully. Now we use right join. Great! It's worked successfully. I hope you will learn inner, left and right join by watching this video. If you learned from this video, then like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.